Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Core Studio. In today's video, I am trying something totally new and exciting. We are making resin coasters with a gorgeous velvet effect. This is my first attempt at this technique, so the coasters aren't exactly perfect, but the outcome is still absolutely beautiful. So let's begin. I've mixed the resin and hardener in a 3:1 ratio and I'll set it aside for a bit to let the bubbles rise and pop. Today I am working with round coaster molds. The first step is to pour a clear resin layer, filling each mold halfway. For the texture, I am using regular kitchen cling wrap. Cut a piece large enough to cover the entire surface of the coaster. I miscalculated the size a bit, and while crumpling the wrap, one of my coasters didn't get fully covered on the sides. Simply press the wrap into the resin with your fingers to create that crushed textured effect. Now I'll leave these to cure overnight. Once the resin is fully cured, carefully remove the cling wrap from the molds. I think I crumpled the wrap a bit too tightly, so I couldn't remove all of it. I decided to just peel off the excess and move forward. The next step is applying chameleon powders. I'll be using 4 different colors for this. Using clean paint brushes, I'll thoroughly cover each coaster with the powders. I'll give each coaster a gentle tap on the table to shake off any extra powder before moving on. It's time to add the final layer of resin. I've mixed the resin and added black pigment paste to give it a rich, opaque black color. After filling the molds completely with the black resin, I'll leave the coasters to cure fully. Our velvet effect resin coasters are complete. Despite a few small hiccups along the way, I am really happy with how beautifully they turned out. The texture and the vibrant chameleon powders give them such a unique look even though they are not flawless. I'll definitely be trying this technique again soon and refining the process to get even better results next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.